Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to introduce you to the versatile multi-purpose range of Atlas bolts. These self-tapping bolts and masonry screws simplify and speed up installations and provide a secure fixing into concrete, brick, natural stone, marble, slate as well as timber, making them the ideal product for installers around the world. Here's what Skill Builder has to say about them.
Hello, it's Roger Bisbee here from Skill Builder, and I just want to tell you about Atlas bolts. I've been using these bolts for a while now, and they make a huge difference because instead of having to use expanding plug of some sort, you can just drill a hole, and these self-tapping bolts will make their own thread into the host material. Now that host material could be brick, it could be concrete, it could be timber, it could be slate, it could be marble, and the great thing is that because it's tapping into the host material rather than expanding a plug, you're not getting those stresses on the material, so you can work closer to the edge of brickwork. You can work in delicate materials such as marble and slate, stone, natural stone, that kind of thing, and you get a really secure fixing. Very quick, very easy to use, and they do the job. They're made of high tensile boron steel, and they come in different sizes. So this one's with a hex fitting, this one's with a Torx head, and as I say, they're good for timber as well, which a lot of people don't know.
For more information or to buy these great bolts online, visit the Inside Security website or call our friendly team on 01273 47 5500. We'll be glad to help.